Kevin here from Capital Tech Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an agency or partner to your Facebook page. So normally when you add an individual to your Facebook page or give somebody access to your page, you just go over to page settings, you click page roles, you type in their name or their email, the type of access that you want to give them, and then you click add. The only issue is if you're trying to add a digital marketing agency, you can't really do that through this setting, through this option right here. You actually have to come over to your business manager page or your business manager account. And in order to access that, you just do business.facebook.com, or if it's a shortcut on your homepage, you can click it there. Now, once you get to your business manager account, you should see a dashboard that looks something like this. You want to come over here on the left and click business settings. And then you'll see a list of items here on the left. You want to click partners and then click add, give a partner access to your assets. And then here's where you plug in that business manager account ID. So whoever you're trying to give access to, make sure that you grab that ID from them. So in this instance, we have theirs. So we'll go ahead and plug that in and you click next. And then here's where you actually add the agency to your page. Now there are other options as well, like if you want to add them to an ad account or catalogs, if you're an e-commerce business, apps, pixels, Instagram accounts, and so on. Again, for this example, we're just trying to add them to our page. We're trying to give a business manager account access to our page. So I'm going to go ahead and click the page. Now, in some instances, you might have multiple pages, so just make sure that you select the correct ones. And then here's where you actually give them certain permissions. I'm going to go ahead and grant them admin access, and then I'm going to click Save Changes. Done. And now this digital marketing agency, Capital Tech Solutions, has access to my Facebook page. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below in the comment section. Also, make sure to subscribe as we do come out with tutorial videos often. Thank you for watching.